All right, hey guys, so let's get straight to the point. If you're a new business, there's not going to be people jumping, falling over just to try to give you money to start your business. Starting a new business can be risky. You're going to have to be strategic in order to get funding for your business. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys some strategies to get funding for your business and to get you to the next level. Hey guys, and my name is Natalie. If you're new to my channel, I'm helping everybody level up their life, start their business, and be successful. So if you're interested in that, subscribe to my channel. And thanks to all my subscribers, I appreciate y'all. I have 500 subscribers now, and I'm so excited. So thank you guys so much. Now, I always talk about being strategic because when you're trying to make your way up from the bottom to the top, to have a successful business, to make it out of poverty, or just to make it out of living a mediocre life, you have to have strategies. And a lot of this information is not given to us. So I had to search and find this information myself, and I learned along the way. People with money, they don't want to give you the information. They don't want to give you the tools that you need. So I'm here to give you the tools that I use to start my business. Now, before you even wanting to start your business, when you're just thinking about a business, I want you to go ahead and register your business. Okay? I want you to get a bank account, an EIN, a tax ID number, and you're gonna want to create this business and have it all legitimized way before you even start your business, because this is a strategy. See, a lot of people, lenders, do not want to give a new business funding because it's very risky, okay? So once you get all this stuff ahead of time, by the time that you're wanting to ask for funding, you're already gonna be a year in business and it's gonna look less risky. Does that make sense? So on paper, you'll be an older business than you really are. Like I said, after you register business, you do want to have a business bank account, and you do have to have an EIN and a tax ID number to register business bank account. But you want to have transactions coming in and out of your bank account, your business bank account, because it's going to look like your business is making money. So I don't care if you have to deposit your own work check in that business bank account, if you have to make purchases through that bank account, if you have to use that business bank account. I don't care if you have to deposit your own check into that business bank account. You need to have transactions going in and out of this bank account so it shows that your business is making revenue before you even start. Okay? So anytime somebody Cash App, you get your Cash App account connected to your business bank account. Let those transactions, let that money come into your bank account. The more money coming into your bank account, it's going to show that your business is making more money, which is going to look better for lenders. And also, just having a business bank account and having these transactions and things like that, you're going to build a relationship with your bank, and a bank is a good way for funding. And I'll talk about that a little bit later. One of the easiest ways to get funding is business credit cards, because a loan is going to be typically harder because they're going to want more information, they're going to want more documents and things like that. So business credit card is a little bit easier because they don't really ask for a lot of things, and a lot of times they just go by your word. So when you're applying for a business credit card, first off, you want to have a really good income for your business, and you want your business to be at least 1 year old. Now, that doesn't mean your business was registered within a year. You may have just started your business a year ago and you just didn't register because you started off as a hobby and then it went good, and then now you finally registered. If anybody asks us any questions, okay? But the main thing is you want to be in business for a longer amount of time. So when you're writing these pending stuff in the application, make sure you're having a lot of income, that you're saying your business is making a lot of revenue. And also, when you apply for a business credit card, you don't want to put self-employed. You want to put the name of your business, and then you want to say that you are the CEO of that business or the manager of that business, so it looks less risky, okay? It just looks better on paper than just saying I'm self-employed. No, you are the CEO of that business, okay? And it is a successful, flourishing business that makes a lot of money a year. The more money you make in your business a year, the more you will get for your credit card, okay? Now, you don't want to just get any kind of credit card because you don't have to. So you want to get credit cards that have benefits, and a lot of people don't realize the benefits that credit cards come with. When you first open a credit card, they have a lot of rewards for just when you're just opening a new credit card. So introductory rewards, okay? So basically, you spend a certain amount and they give you money back. Usually it's you spend money within 3 months, they'll give you a certain amount back. We're not just getting credit cards for no reason. They give benefits. There's a lot of things that you can use, but right now we're going to talk about funding. I can get so far into that, and I will in another video if y'all want me. So, and I'm just going to give you guys 3 credit cards that I use. First off, I want to say Capital One. They are the best company as far as credit cards, and they give really good limits. And when you're just starting out, they're more lenient, and they're easier to work with. So the Capital One Business Spark Card gives you $500 back if you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months. Another credit card is Chase Business Inc. They give you $750 back if you spend $7,500 within the first 3 months. And also Amex Business Green Card, they give you 25,000 reward credits after you spend $3,000 in 3 months. And I'm gonna put the links to those below, so y'all can go ahead and apply for those so y'all can get the money that y'all need for your business. Now, when you have a business credit card, right, you can purchase things for your business to start your business. You can even purchase something for your business. So, like for me, for my photo booth business, I purchased the platform with my business credit card. I didn't have to use any of my money, and it's making money from that. And I took that money that I borrowed from the Capital One, made money with it. So when you're using credit, you want to make sure that you are using it to make more money. Okay, that's the problem. People are scared of credit cards because they don't want to go into debt. But you have to go into debt. Even the biggest companies use debt to leverage. You have to learn to leverage debt to make more money. Okay, because if you don't have no money, it takes money to make money, and you have to be strategic, like I said. So, like I did, I bought my 360 booth with the credit card. Didn't have to come out of my own pocket, and then the revenue that I started generating with my platform, I'm paying back the debt with it, and I don't have to pay that much back. You can pay $100 back. The minimum might be $100, but you're making $5,000 a month off of this item, so it's paying for itself. Your credit card will allow you to take money off, but there's only a certain amount that you can take off with the ATM through cash. So you can take that cash and you can invest and buy things that you need as well, but you can also purchase things that you need for your business or purchase a business with your credit card. And once you spend a certain amount of money, and you can take those credit cards, pay your bills. You're going to pay your bills anyways. So you can take that credit card and pay your bills, and then pay the credit card before the end of the month. And when you're doing that, it's going to be very beneficial because it's going to allow you to get those introductory rewards, get that free money. And also, it's going to show the credit card company that you're being responsible and you're making payments and you're paying off your debt in time, and they're going to raise your limit. When you have a higher limit, you can spend more money without it affecting your credit card. But let me tell you something. Now, the good thing about business credit cards, it does not show on your personal credit. So you can max out your business credit card and it won't even show up. It's like it's not there unless you default. Now, if you default on it, it's going to eventually show up on your personal credit. Now, anybody that's telling you that you can register a business underneath your business name and it won't affect your personal credit, they're lying. Unless you're a very big corporation, that is very rare. They are going to want you as a personal guarantor in order to have a credit card, okay? But it won't show up on your personal credit. So you can purchase everything that you need for your business with the credit cards. And then you'll get money back as well, and it comes with a lot of benefits. You get points, you get cash back. You know, even sometimes if something comes damaged that you purchase with your credit card for your business, they will reimburse you. And you just got to look into the benefits that a credit card comes with. Another way to fund your business is a business line of credit. Now, remember in the beginning of the video, I said that you want to make a relationship with your bank. And so once you're having transactions going in and out your bank, if you have higher transactions, it's going to be higher money, a higher line of credit that you can get with your bank. If you already have your business account with your bank, you can go in, ask your bank for a business line of credit, and they'll be able to help you out. And also, there's a couple of websites online that you can ask for a business line of credit, and they're called, one of them is called Cabbage. They use certain technology, and they want to be able to connect into your bank account, and it shows them your transaction and your revenue, and they will make a decision on your line of credit based on the transactions in your bank. And also, Blue Vine also is very legit, and they will give you a line of credit as well. And I believe that they use the same method as well in order to determine how much you're making. So the more transactions that you got going through your bank, guys, it's going to look good on your business. It's going to show that you're making a lot of revenue even before you even start your business, okay? So get money coming in there. People, anytime you get money, put it in your bank account, your checks, put it in your business bank account, make your transactions to your business bank account. So it's going to show that your business is thriving. Another way that you can get money is the SBA. They want to help small businesses. They want to help people start. This is like one of the main places that's even going to help a business before they even get started to get funding. So there's a lot of resources with them. You just call your local SBA office and they will guide you through the process. They will help you to start your business. And before you try to get a loan through the SBA, a few things that you will need for your business is a business plan, profit and loss statement. You're going to want, of course, your EIN number, and they're going to want business bank statements, and they will connect you with a lender that will give money to you when other lenders won't. Okay, so the SBA will back the loan and make it more safe for the lender to give you money. But you got to have a good business plan, and you got to have financial projections, and you're going to want all those documentations to show and to prove that you're able to handle a loan and what you're going to be able to do with the money. But don't worry about it. You don't have to know all that stuff. So all you have to do is go on Fiverr.com and have somebody make your business statements and have somebody to make your business plan, and you will be set to go. And it doesn't even cost that much to get somebody to write a business plan for you. Like I always say, if you don't know how to do something, pay somebody to do it. And Fiverr is a really good option in order to help you and to find somebody that is professional and that will be able to get those documents for you. All right, guys, that's it. And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and let's get to this money together. Let's grow our businesses, and let's put our best foot forward. I thank y'all for watching, and until next time, bye.